Good
How are
evening,
you?
ma'am. It's a great feeling to be working here at SNS, right?
Yes.
So we all should be proud that we follow design thinking strategy in SNS, and this is the first institution to implement a design thinking strategy.
One of the institute
One
in India.
yeah, in India. Yeah. So we all should be proud about that because we are also benefited and our students are also benefited for this. And talking about our vision,
Storytelling vision, right? So first we have to know what is our vision, SNS vision. That is building an entrepreneurial mindset through design thinking process. Other than this, we have a separate culture also,
Yes.
SNS culture, right?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know that?
Yes, ma'am. Our culture is like the 3 P's. They are nothing but the purpose, process, and we reach to the people. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Other than that, 5 pillar also we are following,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes,
So
exactly.
we'll discuss about 5 pillar, right?
CLT, first one is CLT. CLT is nothing but Center for Learning and Teaching. In this, the students are going to do, first they are going to do case study questions. So case study, they are going, each and every subject they are going to study in depth. As a practical, they are doing it.
Yeah.
So as US students, how they are, everything, the US people, US students, they everything they are, every theory session they will do in practical. So practically they will be strong. As like that, our students also practically they are doing all the subjects. For example, programming, physics, chemistry, everything they are doing in practical. So easily they can learn, gain knowledge about the content. The next is certificate. So each and every time they are doing a different certificate courses. So that will gain their knowledge as well as they can add the certificate courses in their
This
portfolio.
is under the MOOC courses. You are talking about the MOOC
MOOC
courses,
courses.
massive online courses. Yes.
Okay.
Next one is CFC. This is nothing other than Center for Creativity. So in this Center for Creativity, we are making our students to complete the Y Combinator and business model Canva. And Y Combinator means, we are making our students to identify the different problem statement in startups and finding the solutions also for that. So thereby they are creating one of the mindset, entrepreneurial mindset through Y Combinator. And this business model Canva, usually this is one of the strategic management template used to develop new business model details and also the existing one. This template we can use, okay. So by using this business model Canva, students will select a few businesses and they will analyze using this business model Canva. They will analyze who are the key partners and how much investment are there and where are their markets, and they will identify the customers, resources and cost and the revenue structure, etc.
Yes.
So they get a complete
So,
idea.
yes,
about
about the business entrepreneurial or business.
And the third pillar is nothing but the SCD. It's nothing but the skills and career development. So skill is one of the main thing for the students for improving their career development. So SCD is the one which helps the students to attend many contests, hackathons and coding contest, and also even they participate in the sports event which was ensured by our school. So SNS encourages the students to build their career and build their skills by attending many clubs and all. So like skills are very important. So this can be done by the SCD pillar.
Now the next is the fourth one, which is IIPC, Industry Institute Partnership Cell. So this through this cell they inculcate 3 things mainly, which goes as tie events and then CEO talk and even LinkedIn connections. So talking about tie events are like courses or events which are happening for futurepreneurs. Futurepreneurs in the sense the entrepreneurs which are going to be the futurepreneurs. So that is meant for them, and then comes the LinkedIn connections. LinkedIn connection in this young age itself, they are open to a wide arena of people which in the world which undergo different businesses, startups and also children are getting vital information easily.
They are getting good exposure.
Exposure is very wide, and then comes the CEO talk. CEO talk is again a real platform for the children to interact with the real persons, so that the information which is given or got to the children will be so vital and pure or fresh, so that the people can directly converse with the children and do it in a better way, understand it in a better way, and find out solutions in whichever they are into.
Yeah. And last but not the least, we have SRI pillar, which is a social responsibility initiative, because it comes to a point where education without value is pointless, isn't it? We need to pay back to the society, which should be spanning on ethical, environmental and social issues. So we have a lot of initiatives here happening in SNS, in all our institutions, where children take up the responsibility to be a very responsible citizen, what all are required. So those kind of activities we are making them do, make them aware of the social issues happening around them, environmental issues and economic issues, what the nation is facing, all these things. And we are doing boot camp also, where the children can speak about their or educate other institutions,
And
students of
awareness.
other awareness, to bring awareness about the society, and also the design thinking strategy we are implementing here.
Yes.
So we have covered all the five pillars. So it is not a simple task. Actually, it is a very
A great thing.
A great thing to
Which is happening around.
There are many things are there to explore in this.
explore here in this campus or in any campus of SNS.
And we as teachers are proud to work in
Proud.
SNS.
Yes.
And also the students
Because
are very
we have
lucky.
also learned a lot of things
Things
coming
from
here.
here. Yes.
And it's a lifelong learning
Learning
process.
process. And as a students also, they are lucky enough to study in SNS.